Rental properties can be frustrating as you're not allowed to make major renovations. If your property is dim, however, there are tweaks you can make to brighten it up. Enhance the lighting with small changes like adding lamps. Decorate with bright colored objects like bright rugs and temporary wallpaper. Use furniture to your advantage. Paint dull furniture in bright shades and keep sofas and chairs away from windows. This three-part series, we will discuss lighting, decorating effectively, and brightening up with furniture. Today, I will give you part 2, decorating effectively. Okay, so let's start with adding rugs. Many rental homes have dull carpeting, beige, or white floors, or white walls and things like that. This can make the whole room look darker. A few colorful rugs can color up a dull floor, brightening up the room a lot. So let's some floor rugs can be quite pricey though. However, there are always ways to cut down on costs. Shop at secondhand stores or discounted department stores. You may also be able to find fairly cheap rugs at a retail, like a larger retail store on clearance, or my favorite, Craigslist. I swear I find everything on Craigslist. I once furnished my first apartment when I moved to Florida for $500. Bedroom, living room, and bathroom, kitchen, dining area, everything for $500. It was awesome. And everyone complimented me on how beautiful it looked. And it was $500. That was it. Okay. Number 2, add functional decor. If you're in a smaller rental space, adding additional decoration may add clutter. You also may want to spend a lot more money buying brightly colored decorations to lighten up the room. However, colorful objects you can use regularly can be displayed decoratively when not in use, like dishes or vases, things like that. Now, if you have colorful dishes, like I said, set them out in a cabinet in your kitchen. This can brighten up your kitchen, and when necessary, you can simply grab a dish out of the cabinet to use. Toiletries that come in fancy containers, such as a nice perfume, can be set out in your bathroom for decoration. If you have vases, put them out when they are empty. A nice white vase can brighten up any room, and in the event you need to use it, it's already sitting out. Number 3, add fresh flowers and plants. You can buy flowers and plants at a local greenhouse. As long as you water and care for them, plants can brighten up your home for quite a while. Some brightly colored flowers or nice green plants set out around your home can make everything look a little brighter. If space is an issue, you can hang plants from the ceiling rather than taking up floor space. Plants that produce vines such as philodendron and heartleaf do not require a lot of light to thrive. Parlor palms, Boston firs, corn plants, and prayer plants also require little light. Okay, number 4. Position mirrors strategically to increase lighting. Mirrors can make for great decorations. When set in the right place, they reflect lighting and increase the brightness in your room. Stop by a local furniture store, supermarket, or retail show and buy a few attractive mirrors for the home. Place mirrors in front of lights. They can reflect lights back into the room, doubling the effect. I watched on this home show, this lady had a basement apartment, and her bedroom had no windows. So she wanted windows next to each side of the bed, like she had in her whole home. She's gone through a divorce or something. She moved into this apartment. Anyway, she had these 2 long rectangular mirrors, and she put them behind the nightstands in front of the lamp, looked like windows. She even put curtains on it to make it look like it was windows. And you know what? When you walked into the room, it made the room open up so much more. Anyway, okay. Number 5, put your artwork and photographs on display. Colorful artwork and photographs can easily brighten up a dull white or beige wall. If you don't have any artwork on hand, look into secondhand shops and local art shows. Buy a few colorful paintings or other pieces of art and pin them up on your wall. Now, I haven't been known to do this. You can go to Barnes & Noble and get one of those clearance big books of something that you're interested in. You can cut them out, stick them in dollar store frames, stick them on the wall, and it'll look like you've spent a fortune. Just saying. So a lot of picture books, calendars are another good one. If you like black and white photos, excuse me, here. If you like black and white photos online, you just go online and print them. Sometimes they don't come out really well, but other times they come out perfect if you have good ink. If a lot of your photos are still on your phone or camera, many drugstore chains have photo stations where you can print them out and make them pictures. And if you're nailing anything on the wall, make sure the lease allows you to make any holes in your drywall. Number 6, try removable wallpaper. You usually cannot paint over the walls or put up wallpaper. However, you can order removable wallpaper online or buy some at local craft stores. You can easily place strips of removable wallpaper on dull white or beige walls. This will brighten up your apartment without breaking the lease. When you're ready to move out, the wallpaper is easy to move. Now, I do hope that this 3-part series will help you brighten up your rental home. For Jaclyn, I'm Jaclyn St James, and this has been a Coffee Time Moment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for part 3. Bye for now.